I'm Jessica. I have a son at Think, Explore, Create school, and my son has really blossomed here. He is a really happy, curious, engaged learner, and we're always happy to come back to school. We'd looked at a couple different schools, and we liked the Montessori method of teaching. And when my son first came here, he came for a visit, and he loved it. So James had attended a number of other Montessori schools in the area where he had participated in the day-to-day activities, and he didn't really have the same excitement. I think a lot of it is the people here at the school as well. He really enjoyed the teachers, and the other students were very warm to him, and he immediately felt like part of the community. In other situations that had the same Montessori materials, the classrooms were a little larger. It was not quite as warm, or just he didn't have that same feeling as when he came here. So my son had come here when he was really not very excited about school. He loved science. Like, he loved to go outside and investigate things. He was kind of a reluctant reader, and when he came here, I would say in a matter of weeks, he was working his way through all of the readers. He was starting to write, get excited about writing. He was incorporating the writing into the science that he had really loved. So it was sort of tying all of the different subjects areas together. And he really blossomed even within a few weeks of joining the school. So I would say to any parent who's on the fence about exploring the school or having their child explore the school, that just give it a try. Even like a visit is really helpful. The difference is really in letting the student know, like, we believe in you. We know you have the talent to work hard and to achieve what you want to achieve. And we're going to give you the space, but also the support to do that. We're not going to force you to do something too early. We're going to work with you at your level, but we're going to give you pride in what you've accomplished and make you feel like this is where you belong. I think everything is really thought through at this school in terms of, homework is a skill you're going to need to learn. You're going to need to do homework, but we're going to make it engaging. We're going to give you time to do it. It's not a worksheet that you fill out. It's important work that you do. We just did an assignment on the Constitution. So we had to go to the library and check out books and learn about the Constitution and why it was written. You're still acquiring the same skill of doing homework, but you're not doing a worksheet that you just have to turn in. It's much more well thought out in terms of a skill to acquire. Another important thing about the T.E.C. school is their connection to the community. They have a lot of special events with different groups in the community. There's a makerspace down the street that they go and they learn how to use woodworking tools. And that's really the big difference about this school, is all the different environments for learning, the ability to interact with the community, and the skills that students acquire in the context of what they're going to need to learn, and not in a high pressure way, just in a natural, this is life, these are skills you acquire, this is how you work.